Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to stop auto opening the PDF files in the Adobe Acrobat, the files that you download from the internet. Let me show you. Let's download this PDF. As you can see, I just downloaded the PDF. Adobe Acrobat automatically opens it. To fix that and stop opening PDFs in the Adobe Acrobat automatically from the browser, you need to modify the preferences. So open up the Adobe Acrobat and go to the menu section, then Preferences. On the Preferences window, click General on the left side and just uncheck Always Open PDFs saved from the web. Uncheck this option and you are good to go. Click OK. Close Acrobat and let's try again downloading this PDF file. This time, as you can see, I just downloaded, but it didn't open in the Adobe Acrobat. The file is available in the download section. Let's double click. As you can see, it's opening right now in the browser. You can also change the default application for this. To set a different application, you can right click on the any PDF file and select Open With and then choose another app. And from the list, you can choose a software. Let's say I select Adobe Acrobat and click Always. Now, the default application for PDF file is set Adobe Acrobat. Whenever you double click to open the file, it will automatically open up in the Adobe Acrobat. So that's it guys, this is how you can stop auto opening the PDF file in the Adobe Acrobat, the files you download from the internet. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and please subscribe to my channel.